Hindi. Balik ko si Nene. Kinuha niya ang gunting. Kinuha niya ang aklat ni Kuya. Ginupit-gupit niya ito. Nakita siya ng nanay. Nagalit ang nanay.
This is the worksheet. Sesame worksheet. After we read the story which is si Nene, so I have some questions. Ano ang ginagawa ni Nene? Antea?
Kinuha niya ang aklat ni Kuya at ginupit-gupit niya ito.
Nice work, Antea. You got the answers right, so you may proceed. Thank you, class, for this lesson. So, goodbye, class.
Bye, teacher!
See you tomorrow.
That was good, Teacher Janine. But for stronger feedback, you can try that's correct, Antea, or your student, no? But I like how you explain your answer using the story. Like it helps student know exactly what you did was well.
Okay, so I noticed that the quiz is effective, but maybe next time you will add a drawing activity or a group storytelling for the advanced assessment. It gives more ways to assess understanding.
Great idea! Some students enjoy drawing parts of a story. Many can factual questions right, but struggles with why questions.
So that's important data. So you can use that to teach inferencing next week. So assessment is not the end. It is a guide. Assessment is a guide, not just a grade.
I use a reading checklist to read. It helps me track within scores word and fluency or comprehension. You want me to share it?
Yes, please. I really want to start monitoring them better.
Good day, Ma'am. May I ask how's Antea doing reading?
Good day, Ma'am. She read fluently but struggled to explain stories.
Try sending wiki reading log to your students to Janine. Parents appreciate simple updates.
Teacher Janine, in our school, we do our reading together at home activity, which parents record a short reflection. So I help you set it up.
Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Thank you, Ma'am, for the updates about the council here.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jennifer. Thank you so much, Dr. White. I didn't realize so much assessment could do not just reading, but for improving learning.
Teacher Janine, exactly, with a great start. And this is what 5 domains is all about.